Hello guys, how to fix if your iPhone call keeps going to voicemail? All your iPhone calls are if going to voicemail, then here are the fixes. Just a simple workaround and your phone don't go to voicemail. So first turn on airplane mode and wait for 50 to 20 seconds, and after that again turn off airplane mode and check whether your error is resolved or not. If not, go to the next fixes. Next one is do not disturb mode. Disable it. Disable do not disturb mode. If you have already enabled do not disturb mode in your iPhone, then simply disable it, because if you turn on do not disturb mode, then your call will automatically proceed to voicemail and you will not receive any call. So you must disable or stop from do not disturb mode. That's all.